Hello, it's David from Pickering Honda, here to show you how to pair your phone to the 2018 Honda Accord. First thing you want to do is click Settings on your phone. We'll click Bluetooth, make sure it is on, and then we'll click Settings on the home screen here. We'll click Connections, click Bluetooth, and then you click Connect New Device. Make sure your Bluetooth, as I said, is on. Here's the phone, so we'll click it. There we go. So it's going to send you a pairing code. Be sure that the pairing codes do add up so you're connecting to the right vehicle. And then we'll click Pair. Click Allow for your contacts and sync. Right here, this will allow the functions for the vehicle, so you can access your audio or your phone, or both. So we'll click Save. And now we're connected. Hey, thank you for watching.